Hi guys, in this video I will teach you how to create a jar mockup using my cover maker. So from the home page, just click on create mockups. Let's find the jar mockup. So if you got a startup business and you like to create and see your product's packaging before you actually print it, this tutorial is just the right one for you. Now let's start with our background. Let's choose black. And then we're going to add text. Just go right here and choose between heading, subheading, and content text. Once you have chosen, just change the text into your company's name or your business name. You can change the font by just clicking right here, choose your font style, and for the color, right here. You can add shadow effects on your text right here. Just click on one of the A's. You can also change the color of the shadow right here. Now let's go ahead and add some more. Now we're going to add some images to spice up our design. Just click right here. You can type the words that is related to the image you're trying to find in the search bar. And just click on the image that you have chosen. Put it on the side. And to send it behind, you can drag its icon right here under the text icon. You can resize the image by just dragging the corners. Now let's add some more. Now we're going to remove the background of this image by just clicking right here. You can also tweak the image a little bit by just using contrast and the brightness until you're satisfied. Once you're done, just click right here, render mockup, and there you go. I hope you all learned from this tutorial. I'll see you on the next one.